Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So nothing really going on yesterday. We've got a bit of an inside bar here, a bit of a range bar inside this level. Still worried about the oscillators pointing to the downside with a crossover like that. That is looking a little bit ominous, and obviously we've got a lot of support here. And if this 156063 goes, I suspect we still got this 14183 as the next target. At the moment, nothing really going on. I think this trend line, let's just line that up there. So we'll just pick up the fractals there, and we'll come back to that. We've got a nice crossover on the 3 hour. Does look like a bit of a base forming, but looking at price action, you've got sellers still coming in here. Look at these tails. So you do have some buyers coming in, but you've got sellers, and for all intents and purposes, we are sideways right now. And you can see yesterday was a little bit of an up, a little bit of a down, big up, and look at the oscillators at the moment. We're starting to group back to the upside. So I'm a little bit cautious, and if you look at this trend line here, we're basically testing a trend line again. And if you look at this on the 15 minutes, and this is really going to be scalps. You can see we're rejecting the 155. This here is the area we need to break and retest. 15173, stop above here, and you're looking to target this bottom area. So it's basically a 1-to-1 trade. You're going to have a 100-point stop loss for a 100-point gain. That's pretty much the only thing I can see, and that's going to need to happen on the 15 or 5-minute charts. So you can see big down, gradual move up, looks like a double top as well. So if we do break that, you're definitely targeting this bottom area here. For me, in general, it is sideways. If you look at that, you did have the pre-market move down, and then buyers came in and went sideways. So pretty much followed suit of what's happening on the US last night. I suspect we're waiting for some sort of catalyst. We are waiting for either data or politicians or something that's going to drive this market. So the Feds are saying there's an interest rate hike, and I don't know where. The bears are sort of are jumping onto that and pushing price down. But everything that I can see is just indicating we're more than likely looking at a range trading this week. So now let's see what happens today. But I think for me, money's still in the pocket, not really keen on jumping in and getting myself burnt. This bottom area would definitely offer an opportunity to buy this 15063 to 1500 area. That would definitely offer some form of support, and obviously we need to start breaking above the highs of the day. And I'm just going to use this level here so you can get a clearer picture, and that's 15260. So 15260 to the upside, and 15173 to the downside. And yet again, these two levels at the extreme are the ones that are going to more than likely offer either resistance or support. So those are going to be your target areas. So target the upside is 15339, target the downside 15063. So nothing really on offer at the moment. I suspect this range is going to continue, whether it's a bigger range or a tighter range. But looking at the oscillators, it does look like we are just building a base or gathering steam to try and attempt to break through 15063. If that happens, there's some really decent shorts that are going to be on offer for that. Anyway, until that happens, I'm sitting on the sides and keeping money in the pockets. It's always a great trade. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.